Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the wallpaper on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to open the settings. In the settings you want to go to wallpapers and style, and then over here tap on wallpapers on the left side. Here we'll find some recent wallpapers. We can choose an album, or we can choose carousel wallpapers, which pretty much rotates through different wallpapers. We can also go for a static one over here, where we have some already pre-selected wallpapers that we can use for free. We can also tap on more wallpapers in order to open the store with a bunch of different wallpapers. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then all I need to do is press apply, wait a couple of seconds, press one more time. Now I can choose to apply it to the lock screen, add it to the carousel wallpapers, use it only for the home screen or both the home and lock screens. So I'm gonna choose just the home screen in this case. Once we set it up, we should be able to go back, and once we return to the home screen, you'll see that we have a new wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.